Hi viewers, welcome again to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever, where I am all about the unleashing the inner diva in you. In this exciting video, I will be diving into the world of foot to nail polish and how to perfectly pair it with glamorous high heels. So get ready to elevate your style game and make your toes the star of the show. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest trend, tips and tricks in the world of fashion, beauty and self-expression. It's time to paint the town red or any colors you desire with your dazzling foot or nail polish and high heels. So let's get glamorous together. So dear viewers, get ready to turn heads and steal the spotlight with your polished toe and high heels. In this video, you can pick all the ideas, designs and high heel styles. Embrace your individuality. Express yourself through your nails and conquer the world with confidence. So dear viewers, comfort and foot health is also very important along with the foot toenail designs. So I can proper and very delightful colored nail polish designs are here in this video. So dear viewers, we know how important it is to have your nail polish last as long as possible. That's why I will share your secret for making your foot to nail polish look fresh and vibrant for days. From base coats and top coats to preventing chipping, you will be equipped with all the knowledge to maintain your flawless pedicure in your home. So guys, if you like my videos, please share it with your friends and family members to spread the style and beauty of the foot to nail design with a high heel. So guys, from those who want to take their foot to nail polish games to the next level, I will dive into the art of nail designs. From intricate pattern to chic accent, there is no limit to the creativity you can showcase on your toes. In this video, you can pick up all the unique and eye-catching ideas about demonstrative various techniques, making it easier for you to create the looks at your home very easily. So guys, with an overwhelming era of the nail polish colors and finishes available, we will help you pick the perfect shades that complements your styles and personality. Whether you prefer classic reds, vibrant neons, elegant nudes or drying metals, we have got you covered. So guys, all about is very unique and stylish ideas of nail polish with high heel sandals. So subscribe my channel, take care of yourself and share my video. Thanks for watching and thanks for your love for me, and also your comments very valuable for me. So comment me. Thank you.